Phew, I'm home.
Hey, you're finally back. I let myself in with the spare key you gave me. I hope that's okay.
Of course, I'm just glad to see you. The hospital was crazy today. I was on my feet for 12 hours straight. My legs feel like jelly. How was your day?
Stressful. It's tax season, so everyone at the firm is panicking. I spent 6 hours staring at spreadsheets. My eyes are so tired. I really need a break.
Me too. Actually, I was thinking about that on the way home. We have a long weekend coming up. Why don't we go somewhere together?
Go somewhere. You mean like a romantic trip?
Exactly, a weekend getaway, just the two of us. We both need to escape the city, the noise, the traffic, the concrete. I need some fresh air.
That sounds amazing. Where were you thinking?
Well, the weather is supposed to be perfect. Sunny, not too hot. I was thinking we could drive down to Blue Ridge Mountain Park. It's only about a 3-hour drive from DC.
Oh, the mountains? That does sound pretty. The leaves are probably changing color right now. It would be great for photos.
Right? And I really want to go climbing. There's a great trail called Eagle's Peak. It's a bit steep, but the view from the top is incredible.
Climbing? You know I'm not a big fan of heights, right?
Don't worry, you don't have to climb the big rocks. You can just hike the trail. It's good exercise.
I guess, as long as I can bring my headphones. Walking in nature with good music sounds nice. So, where should we stay?
That's the best part. I found this great spot near the river. We can pitch a tent, build a fire, and sleep under the stars.
Wait, you want us to camp?
Yeah, camping is the best way to disconnect. No Wi-Fi, no screens, just you and me in nature. I have a big tent. It's plenty of space for 2 people.
Steve, look at me. Do I look like a camper?
Come on, Angela. It'll be fun. Think about it. Roasting marshmallows over a fire, listening to the river while we sleep. It's very romantic.
You know what else is romantic? A mattress. A real mattress. And a hot shower.
But hotels are so boring. You just sit in a room. When you camp, you're part of the environment. Plus, we can wake up with the sun.
I don't want to wake up with the sun. I want to wake up when I'm ready, preferably after a coffee from a machine I didn't have to build myself.
It's not that hard. I'll do all the work. I'll set up the tent. I'll cook the food. You can just relax by the fire.
But what about the bugs? If I sleep outside, I'll wake up looking like a red balloon. And what about the bathroom situation?
There are facilities at the campground. It's not totally wild. They have toilets.
Are they clean?
Usually.
Usually isn't good enough. I work hard, Steve. When I go on vacation with my boyfriend, I want to be more comfortable than I am at my apartment, not less. I want to relax my muscles, not sleep on the hard ground.
I have sleeping pads. The ground isn't that hard.
It's still the ground. I'm sorry, but if I'm going away for the weekend, I need amenities. I need a private bathroom.
Okay, I get it. You like comfort. But we also need to think about the cost. We agreed to split the cost of this trip 50-50, right?
Yes, of course. I always pay my share.
Right. And I know you are saving for a new car, and I'm saving for my nursing certification exams. We are on a budget.
That is true.
So, look at the numbers. The campsite costs $20 a night. That's $10 for you and $10 for me.
That is very cheap.
If we stay at a hotel near the mountain, it's going to be expensive, probably $200 a night, maybe more because it's a holiday weekend.
200? Let me check on my phone. Okay, let me look at this travel app. Blue Ridge Area Hotels. You're right. The prices are high. The Grand Mountain Hotel is $250 a night.
See? That's $125 each just for one night. That is too much for me right now.
That is a lot. But look at this one, the Roadside Inn. It's only $90. That's $45 each.
The Roadside Inn? I know that place. It's right next to the highway. It's noisy and the rooms smell like old cigarettes. That is not the romantic weekend I imagined for us.
Okay, fair point. I don't want to stay somewhere dirty. But I really don't want to sleep in a tent, Steve. If I sleep on the ground, my back will hurt and I'll be grumpy all weekend.
I definitely don't want a grumpy girlfriend.
Then we need to find something else. I'm willing to pay a little more for a bed, but I agree. The luxury hotel is too expensive for us to split. There has to be a compromise.
What about a cabin?
A cabin?
Yeah, it's like a house, but rustic. It's usually cheaper than a big hotel, but it has a roof and a bed.
Does it have a bathroom?
Most of them do. Let's search for cabins near Blue Ridge.
Expand your vocabulary with our core 2,000 words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free English ebook before it's gone.
Look at this list. There are a few options.
Click on that one, the Pine Cone Cottage.
Okay, it says, charming rustic cabin, 1 bedroom, kitchenette, private bathroom with shower.
That sounds promising. How much is it?
It's $150 a night. That would be $75 each.
That is okay. It's at the top of my budget, but I can do it. Where is it located?
Located deep in the forest, 5 miles from the main road.
That sounds scary. Is it safe?
It's safe, but it says there is no electricity. It uses gas lamps.
No electricity? So I can't charge my phone? Or use a hairdryer?
Probably not.
Next option, please. I need electricity.
You are very demanding today.
I just know what I like. Oh, look at that one. Glamping at River's Edge.
Glamping?
It stands for Glamorous Camping.
I know what it means. It means expensive camping.
Just look at the pictures. It's a permanent tent, but it's on a wooden platform. It has a real king-size bed inside. And look, it has electricity and a small heater.
Does it have a bathroom?
It says, private bathhouse just 10 steps away.
That's not bad. It's close to nature, which I like. I can still hear the river.
And it has a real bed, which I like. How much is it?
It says $120 a night.
So $60 each. That is very reasonable. It fits both of our budgets.
Let me see the location. Oh, this is perfect. It's right at the bottom of the hiking trail. I can wake up and go climbing immediately.
And I can sit on the little deck, drink my coffee, and read a book while you climb.
It sounds like a good compromise. You get your bed, I get my nature.
Shall we book it?
Let's check the reviews first. I know you never book anything without reading the reviews.
You know me well. Scroll down. What does Traveler123 say?
We stayed here last month. The bed was super comfortable. The sound of the river was lovely. The owner, Mrs. Higgins, makes fresh muffins for breakfast every morning.
Fresh muffins? Okay, I'm sold. I love muffins.
Wait, look at this one. Nature Lover 99 says, great location, but bring bug spray. The mosquitoes are hungry in the evening.
We can handle mosquitoes. We just need to buy some strong spray.
Also, the Wi-Fi is very weak. You can only send texts, no streaming video.
That's actually good. We are supposed to be having quality time together, right? No working on spreadsheets this weekend.
You're right. I can live without streaming movies for 2 days. As long as I have you, I'm fine.
That was cheesy, Steve, but sweet.
Is there a grill? I really want to cook dinner for you outside.
Let me check the amenities list. Yes. Each unit has a private fire pit and a charcoal grill.
Perfect. I will make my famous burgers.
And I will bring the marshmallows for s'mores.
Deal. So, if we book this, we should plan our schedule. We only have Saturday and Sunday.
We should drive up on Friday night, right? After work?
Yeah, if we leave the apartment building at 6 p.m., we can get there by 9 p.m. We can check in and sleep.
Okay, then Saturday is your activity day.
Saturday morning, we wake up early. I'll go for my climb. It takes about 4 hours to go up and down.
4 hours? Okay, I will sleep in, have those fresh muffins, and maybe take a short walk near the river. I'll meet you for lunch.
Great. For lunch, we can go into the little town nearby. I heard they have a really cute pizza place with outdoor seating. It's like a lunch date.
I love pizza. What about Saturday afternoon?
There is a lake nearby. We could rent a canoe?
A canoe sounds fun. It's relaxing, and I don't have to walk uphill.
Then Saturday night, grilling and fire pit. Just us.
Sunday morning?
Sunday is your choice. What do you want to do?
I saw a sign online for a local market. They sell antiques and local crafts. I want to look around.
Shopping?
It's not a mall, Steve. It's local culture. Plus, I want to buy a gift for my sister.
Okay, fair enough. We can do the market.
And then we need to drive home by afternoon so we can get ready for work on Monday.
That sounds like a perfect weekend, a mix of action and relaxation.
Okay, I'm clicking book now. I'll put it on my credit card to get the points. It's done. We are going glamping. I'll send you a screenshot of the receipt, and you can transfer your half to me later.
Sounds good. I'll send the money tonight. I'm really looking forward to this. We should make a packing list so we don't forget anything.
Good idea. Let's start with clothes.
I need my hiking boots, thick socks, and my climbing gear.
I'll bring my sneakers, jeans, and a warm sweater. It gets cold in the mountains at night, right?
Definitely. Bring a rain jacket too, just in case.
Rain jacket. Check. What about toiletries?
Toothbrush, toothpaste.
Shampoo, soap, sunscreen, and the bug spray. Don't forget the bug spray.
I'll write it down in big letters. Bug spray.
What about food? We need to go to the grocery store before we leave.
Yeah, we need hamburger meat, buns, cheese, ketchup. Since you paid for the booking, how about I pay for the groceries?
That sounds fair. Just make sure to buy the good cheese.
I will. Oh, and coffee. Do they provide coffee?
The reviews said there are muffins, so there is probably coffee. But let's bring our own just to be safe. I know you get a headache if you don't have your specific brand.
You know me so well.
I think that's everything. Oh, wait, the first aid kit.
Angela, I'm a nurse. I am the first aid kit.
I know, but do we need supplies? Bandages?
I have a small kit in my car. We'll be fine.
I feel better already. Just having a plan makes the stress go away.
Me too. It's going to be great. Just you, me, the river, and a comfortable bed.
The perfect compromise. Thanks for finding the place, Steve, even if I was difficult about the camping.
You weren't difficult. You just have standards. I appreciate that. It ensures we don't end up sleeping in a swamp.
Exactly. Okay, I should probably go back to my apartment and start packing.
Or we could order some takeout first, since we are celebrating booking the trip.
That sounds tempting. Thai food?
Thai food it is.